Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI Codex in VS Code. So first thing, open your VS Code app, then go here to the left side and go to extensions. In the search bar here, search for Codex. Then you should find this Codex OpenAI with OpenAI verified badge. Just click on it, then click on install. After the installation, you should have this codex icon here added, so just click on it. Then you can choose either sign in with ChatGPT or use API key. I will choose sign in with ChatGPT. This will ask you to log in into your ChatGPT account. After that, you just click continue. Then you should close this tab and go back to VS Code. And as you can see here, now we have this prompt. So we just click next, next. You can read this, but for me, I will just click next. And there you go. Now you have your codex connected to your VS Code. So you can start using it, using the models, and you can start writing your prompt. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.